Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 9th, and this is my analysis for silver. And we're going to start off on the daily time frame. So, if you've been following along with my silver videos, this has been playing out pretty much exactly as I've been saying. First of all, we got a wave one, we got a corrective wave two, we got a big wave three. Impulsive downbreaker structure confirms wave three is over. First push down, wave A, three waves up, wave B. Now we potentially are down for a wave C to maybe the 38% before we go up for a wave 5. So it's looking very, very good for sure. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, this is actually where I think you can best see that this is like one, two, three, four, five ways down for A. This is one, two, three, four, five ways up for the A or B. One, two, kind of three down. Not the perfect way B there, but there's an internal A here, there's an internal B, and then there's a one, two, three, four, five of C. So you have an ABC of B. Now, I think there's a good chance that we could pop up a little, but I think that this is potentially going to go down to at least the 38%, maybe even the 50% for a wave C of wave 4, just like what I showed on the daily time frame. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour, it definitely does kind of look like it could pop up one more time because this looks impulsive. This also looks impulsive. This looks like one, two, three waves down. So this could be like even a wave one, and this could be like the A of two. This could be the B of two. Maybe go up for a C of two. Make a lower high, make a lower high, and then potentially go down for the wave three. So I would definitely be keeping an eye out for more possible sorting opportunities. Taking it down to the 38% on the 4 hour time frame potentially could be a nice opportunity. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.